welcome back. It's been a minute since I've done a hair video, and in this video I'm going to show you how I installed this aligrace 360 lace frontal wig that comes pre-plucked. Just to let you guys know, I did have to bleach the knots of this one, and because it's pre-plucked I didn't have to do too much work, which was really good. Well, my stylist actually. The lace itself was a little bit too dark. It was just a tad bit grey on my skin, so I had to powder it up to get it as close as possible to my shade. Other than that, the hair itself is really good quality. Aligrace is known for their amazing hair, and I love that. The only thing I did wish is that the lace was transparent and maybe a little bit thinner so it can really melt, but it wasn't too bad, and you guys are gonna see. So yeah, we put it on first. Obviously I was wearing the cap beneath it, which also helps make, you know, the hair look really good whilst it's on, especially the partings. The density and all that jazz and length, it's going to be in the description box down below, so just check that out. But how good does it look, guys? I just, like, as you guys can see, it would look so much better if the lace was transparent, but other than that it's actually really good. My stylist is just cutting off that excess lace using a really small scissor. There's also excess lace at the back, so she's going to get into there. It is a 360 lace, so you can glue down or spritz down the back, but I'm not going to do that just because I remove wigs all the time and change hairstyles frequently. So I'm just going to glue down the front using Got To Be spray and glue. So we didn't want to cut off the excess bit of the cap, so we just moved it slightly back, and she's applying the Got To Be hairspray, free spray, to my hairline. Prior to doing this, we cleaned my hairline with alcohol and cotton pad, so it's all clean and the lace should stick properly. She applied one layer of the free spray, and then she's air drying it using the blow dryer on a cool setting, and then she goes in with the black Got To Be gel, and then she does another layer of that, and then she goes ahead and blow dries, then stick it down. When she blow dries it, it's not super dry, it just gets really tacky, and that means that it's ready to be stuck down. So now that it got sticky and a little bit tacky, we're just going to glue that down onto my forehead. She does the center first, and then she goes in on the sides, because the sides always need an extra bit of product, because it's the hardest to get stuck down properly. If you guys can see what I meant earlier though, in terms of the lace being a tad bit too thick, but I am going to make it work later on. I just apply my foundation on the lace and it helps it to blend. But you know, the thing with lace frontals, you need a lot of patience. Oh my god, it takes a lot to perfect it and a lot of practice, hence why I don't always do it myself. I always get help from a stylist, because girl, I just can't, okay? But yeah, she takes a baby wipe and she wipes off the excess product that's on my forehead. Like I said, the hair itself is just gorgeous. I do love this wig. It's been forever since I've worn black hair. You guys know that I'm on this like blonde highlights, lowlights type of vibe, but I did miss it, and it looks really nice. It just, yeah, I mean, that night I had a date night as well, so you know, I looked real cute or whatever. But a heads up, I recorded the outro and the intro after I got home at like 2 a.m. so excuse that like black dot there in my eyes, guys. I swear to god, I don't know where that came from, but you know, it was just a really lovely night or whatever. So let's just say, I don't know, let's just say something in the air, okay? But yeah, no, here she put like a wrap on the front of my hair to lay the baby hairs down. Oh girl, what am I talking about? Baby hair, the edges down, sorry. And then we went ahead to style it. She's also using the electronic hot comb to scoop that all the way up. It's also really good if you've got partings and you just want the hair to lay flat. Even if you've got a ponytail, you want it to go all back and lay it flat, electric hot combs are the one. So myself and I bought one because I didn't have one before. And yeah, also, can I mention the like no shedding? I didn't receive any shedding from this hair whatsoever. Obviously I know that all hair sheds, it's whether it's minimal shedding or not. I'm sure if I look at my brush there's gonna be some hair, but like as for the human eye or my carpet or whatever, like no sis, there was literally no fallout, and I love that. The hair's just got this beautiful healthy sheen to it, and it's just got like a really nice gloss. I didn't add any product at this point. There was no hair serum, nothing, and it just looked really, really nice and healthy. It's a 1B, but hair, it almost looks jet black, and I love it. Okay, wow. Do you know what, now that I'm rewatching the video whilst editing, when this little curl drops right here, that one, this looks like that freshly permed curl. Okay, this looks like the black girl from Proud Family, like that hairstyle. That's that. We thought we wanted to do a half up half down, but I didn't like it, so I took it down, and the curls are so lovely, but then here they had dropped and then they looked really romantic, they looked soft, and I was here for it. Guys, I really, really love the hair. I've already told you the pros and cons of this hair, but definitely check them out, you won't regret it. I've received so much compliments over this hair, and for that reason I'm gonna have everything down in the description box down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up and comment down below if you've tried aligracehair. See you soon, bye.